Hi there you guys and happy Halloween! I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you really easy step-by-step how to make these pumpkin earrings. They're really easy to make, they are beginner's level, so I'm sure that by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make them. With the same pattern you could make so many different things like this one, but here I'm using crystals and silver seed beads, and you could make necklaces, bracelets and earrings, and I have tutorial for this one that I will link here. It is with the same pattern and with the same principle, just here I'm adding less beads than here because you see the crystals are smaller of course, and you could use this for Christmas projects. So if you want to support me, you could subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And it's a good idea to hit the bell because in my next video I'm showing matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and in this way you will be able to make beautiful sets. And you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are two 12mm beads and two ear wires and two jump rings. This earring is already done, so I have already my jump ring and my ear wire put on it. And here I'm using, for two earrings I will be using two of these 8/0 beads, and I'm using here 11/0 seed beads, and I use size 10 beading needle, scissors, and I'm using flat nose pliers to attach my jump ring and my ear wire here. And I'm using Nemo beading thread that is size O, which is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I will take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I'm going to take my bead. It's light orange. Here it looks like yellow, but in fact it's light orange color. And I'm pulling my thread, and here I want to make a knot. And I'm making my knot by making a loop and going with my tail thread twice, or even go 3 times around the loop and pull. Okay, then one more knot, and in this way I'm sure that my thread won't be moving around. Okay, then I will go through this bead, and what I want to take are 12 orange beads. Okay, and I have my 12 here. I have my 12, and I'm going to slide them down, and I will go inside my bead in circle. Okay, and now I have this. Okay, then in my next step I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to take 12 again. Okay, I have again 12 beads, sliding down and going around in circle like that, and pulling. I pull tight, and you see what I have now. Now I'm going to do this third time. Okay, I still have 12 beads. Slide down and I'm going here through the center of my work. Okay, like that. And now guys, I'm going to do 7 more rows because I want to have 10 rows in total, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm just adding my last 10th row. And now you see what I have. And now I will take one of these beautiful ATOs and I will go back through this hole of my bead, of my 12mm bead, and now I would like to reinforce it. Okay, so in order to reinforce it, I will go through one of my rows here of 12 beads, and I will exit here through this bead, and I will continue through the other side. You could reinforce it several more times. Okay, and now I'm going to make a knot. Okay, making a loop, going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I could do several more knots, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and when I cut my tail thread and my main thread, this is what I have. And here guys, I will attach my ear wire, and in order to attach it I will take it here, open it up with my pliers like that, and I will put it here inside this bead. Okay, then I will go here, put my ear wire, and I will squeeze back my jump ring, okay, just like that. And now you see my pumpkin earring is ready. Okay guys, and when I'm ready I have these beautiful pumpkin earrings. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from